Monday, the 8th of March, and we are on our way to school. Uber prices are crazy again. It's the 9th of March. Yeah, Uber prices are crazy, so we're gonna use the taxi today. And yeah, I think, yeah, just watch and enjoy the video.
And your kids' responsibilities in managing decision making. Understanding this structure is essential for business efficiency, workflow.
Stuck on this thing.
Do you see? I just see how the multiple standards work.
Guys, I don't want to brag, but oh my god, my first C++ program. This is a full program, right? So it's a booking system, and as you can see, I've built it already. It has no errors now. The error that I had made was I said is peak equals to y, but then I had made is peak a boolean character, a boolean thingy. So I was supposed to say it's equal to true, but because the question says we should allow the user to enter y or n for yes or no, then I was supposed to make it a character. That was the only part that I got wrong. And then now let's run it. Okay, try and see how this works. Yes. Oh, well, okay. Room one, standard. This is the room menu. Okay, no, but this is supposed to appear before I say all of that. So I think I'm gonna have to update the code and put this before, and then. Hello, your rate is, you qualify for a free checkout. Hello, Leon, you're welcome. Number of nights 0. I didn't even get to put number of nights. Oh, no. I am supposed to put number of nights. Wait. Okay, let's run it again and see. Please enter your name. This is the scariest thing right now. Okay, am I a loyal member? Let me say no. And then, how many? Oh, okay. How many nights are you staying for? Okay. Press any key. Okay, that's to exit. Alright. But yeah, basically this is the code. And trust me, I did this with no ChatGPT at all. I didn't. Let me show you what I actually wrote down. So you can see that I wrote down. Okay. Not sure if you can see it, but I wrote down all the things that I needed, and this was before I started the code, right? And how I would structure the if statements. But because I kind of like knew this from Python, I didn't have to write everything down, and then that's when I just did the code. Morning! I'm on campus now, and I just ordered food, so I'm about to eat, and then after that I have class, and then I have another hour in between, so I think I'm gonna study that.
So in other words, we are saying when we are dealing with C code, most of the code is written for you. What you just have to is to specify the variables, and by specifying variables, we are going to notice that
at midnight, which means I have from 7 to midnight. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 6 hours. I have 6 hours. Let's see if I can actually be productive in those 6 hours, because I am feeling a bit tired, but at the same time I have a lot of energy to actually study and do the stuff. Okay, so yeah. Also, another thing I realized, the code that I did at school, it did work. It didn't have errors, but it didn't work the right way, right? So the other parts that had input prompting, something like that, it didn't ask me those things. There's two things it didn't ask me to do. So I'm gonna have to log in and see what happened there if I have the time. But apart from that, I think I have to do notes for DMV data, what whatever we did today. And then INS, to be honest, I'm tired of this. No, not this. It's this one. It's not, it's just not finishing. I thought I was done with it, only to realize that I'm not done. So I might just type the rest of the notes. Let me just see what I can do for now, because my mind is not really right. My mind is still a bit far, so I also already registered for. I've already registered for my module for this semester, right? And I also got the email invitation for AWS cloud architecting, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that this week, because I just want to be up to speed with all of my course content. But I am up to speed with everything. I just need a bit more time to study it, to properly study it, because I don't want to, be imbalanced. I actually have 4 modules this semester, so that's really great. It's easier for me to balance. It's just that I don't like INS. I don't like it. Right? It's one of those modules that they're not difficult. Like, they're not technically difficult, because everything, you're given everything, but you can also easily just not get a distinction. That's just how crazy it is, and I don't understand. I just don't understand. It's not justified to me. It's like a mixture of business. It's like a mixture of um, software engineering, a mixture of all the theory that we do in other modules. You get what I mean? So, like, a mixture of also cloud computing, a mixture of software engineering, a mixture of business processes, da 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 da. It's just a mixture of everything, and I don't like that, because it sounds so redundant, especially when, for example, let's come here. Okay, where do I go? Which one can I use? For example, business support, right? Provide information to support employees at all levels, analyze transactional data, generating business insights, assisting management of complex business processes. So, generating business insights, it's giving a lot of data science there, because reports and analyzing data analytics, sorry. So reports, stuff like that, and I'm like, I already know this from the other modules, so why are we doing this again? Yeah, there's so many stuff I don't know. Right. Business information systems, we have classification of business information systems, we have enterprise computing systems, transaction processing systems, business support systems. So that I understand. That makes sense. It's there, right? But stuff like, what is an operating system? What is software? What is hardware? People, processes, internet business strategies, the major trends of reshaping businesses is just redundant. Like I said, also mentioning that cloud computing, we already do that in cloud computing. Why is it coming back to INS? It's annoying. If I can just find past papers, that would be great because I don't know what you're gonna ask me. And you know, if I am this annoyed, it's gonna be difficult for me to answer the question. Do I have a mic? Okay, I got notes for today. Let's see what is in the notes. Wow, I downloaded it 3 times. But yeah, so I want to study, but not really study. I want to do notes. I feel like I can only study when once I've done notes for everything. But so far, I do have notes for everything. I missed uh, cloud computing if statements. I wasn't here, but I kind of like just know my way around it. I managed to get my way around it. So here we go. But I just want to watch some vlogs first. I'm not. Maybe I can start at 7:30. I don't know. I'm a bit tired. I am, but I do want to study a lot. I'm tired now. It's like past 8, I think. Yeah, almost. Okay, it's past 8 to 9 somewhere here, and I'm a bit tired now, so I'm just gonna go sleep. I did do some notes, so that's okay. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm so tired. I just want to sleep now. So I will see you in the next vlog.